Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 36 Brian Roberts House here in Herne Bay. This is a one-bedroom retirement apartment located right in the centre of Herne Bay, only a short walk away from both the seafront and the main high street. We've come through off of the main entrance hall space there, which is a really impressive size, and come through into the double bedroom that we have here with the property. And coming across the space here, we do have this beautifully presented family shower room. Lovely big double shower unit there as well. Now coming through into the main living space here, you can see really nice arrangement, and you've got a lovely amount of light coming in here through the windows at the front and side. This is an open space, of course, through to the kitchen, which does have the plumbing for the washing machine as well, which is a huge bonus. Properties here are really popular due to the location of Brian Roberts House, and I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at this property with us today. Don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, give us a call today to book your own free valuation.